Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best sprinkler toy is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways for kids to beat the heat during those long, sunny summer days, transforming any backyard into a splash-tastic water park adventure that promises hours of laughter and active fun, making it an absolute must-have for family gatherings and everyday outdoor play. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool. Watch your child have endless fun under the cool water sprinklers. Designed with your child's safety in mind, this shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalate-free. Enjoy peace of mind while they play. We believe in the power of play for development. This product offers both educational fun and outdoor play in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize safety and quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like? This one is designed for learning through play. If you are looking for a way to entertain your little ones while also encouraging their development, this is a great choice. If you have a baby or toddler who loves water and you want to make their playtime educational, you should consider this. What people say. This sprinkler is very easy to set up and use. The sprinkler is a good size for kids and provides plenty of water. My kids love playing with this sprinkler and it keeps them entertained for hours. Number 4. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad for Kids and Dogs. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. With a spacious surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep everyone cool and safe with our shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its heavy-duty design crafted for splashing paws, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. To ensure maximum lifespan and endless summer fun, we recommend trimming your pup's nails before use and placing the mat on a smooth surface free of sharp objects. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied or need help, contact our friendly team for a quick solution. What we like? This option prioritizes safety with its non-slip surface. If you have both kids and pets, or if you're concerned about little ones slipping, this is a fantastic pick. If you want a spacious water play area that accommodates the whole family, including furry friends, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler is easy to set up and connect to a hose. Kids love the fun animal designs and the water spray pattern is great for cooling down. It's durable and has held up well to regular use. Number 3. BigMouth Incorporated Giant Inflatable Dinosaur Sprinkler. Get ready for the ultimate summer fun with this giant dinosaur sprinkler. Standing 6 feet tall, it's ready to transform your backyard into a prehistoric playground. Crafted from robust yet lightweight plastic, this eye-catching sprinkler is designed to last. It provides endless entertainment for the whole family. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply inflate, connect a standard garden hose, and watch the water spray out for instant fun. Add excitement to birthdays, pool parties, or BBQs with this ginormous T-Rex. It's the missing piece for creating unforgettable outdoor memories. When summer ends, the inflatable design allows for effortless deflation. It stores compactly, ready for action next year. What we like? This is all about making a huge statement with its impressive size. If you want to add a fun, prehistoric theme to your backyard parties or gatherings, this is the one. If you are looking for a visually striking and easy-to-use sprinkler that will be a hit at any event, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler is easy to set up and inflates quickly. It is very durable and has withstood rough play from children. The water spray pattern is wide and covers a large area, keeping kids entertained for hours. Number 2. Intex Jungle Adventure Play Center Kiddie Pool. This inflatable pool is the ideal summer oasis for young children learning to swim. It's designed for ages 2 and up, providing a safe and fun introduction to the water. With generous dimensions of 96 inches long, 78 inches wide, and 28 inches high, there's plenty of room for your little ones to play. This above-ground pool offers ample space for splashing and enjoying the outdoors. This unique design features 2 pools for double the fun. The larger pool holds 130 gallons with 8-inch walls, while the smaller one holds 15 gallons, offering varied play options. Get ready for hours of entertainment with a variety of included activities. It comes with a water slide, inflatable arch, flamingo, monkey, a ring toss game, and 5 balls to enhance the play experience. The smaller pool is equipped with a safety drain hole, preventing it from filling over 4.5 inches. This feature ensures it remains at a safe water level, perfect for even the youngest children. What we like? This offers a complete play center experience with multiple features. If you want to provide a variety of water activities for young children, this is an excellent option. If you are looking for an all-in-one water park for toddlers that includes a slide and games, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler is easy to set up and connect to a hose. It's a good size for kids and provides a lot of fun. The design is cute and engaging for children. Number 1. Intex Gator Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for endless summer fun with this exciting inflatable kiddie pool. It's designed to bring joy and laughter to your backyard all season long. This pool comes packed with amazing features like a fun slide, built-in sprinklers, and a playful bucket. It's everything your little ones need for a fantastic water adventure. Simply attach a garden hose to the water sprayer for continuous water play. It's the perfect way to keep them cool and entertained on hot days. Crafted from durable PVC, this pool is made to withstand hours of play, summer after summer. You can count on it for many seasons of enjoyment. It holds up to 42 gallons of water and is suitable for children weighing up to 120 pounds. The compact size is just right for toddlers and young children. This water play center is recommended for children aged 2 and up. It's a safe and engaging way for them to explore and enjoy the water. What we like? This inflatable pool provides a fun water slide experience. If you want a backyard water play area that includes a slide with a padded landing for extra safety, this is a great choice. If you are looking for a durable and engaging water toy for kids ages 2 and up that offers multiple ways to play, you should consider this. What people say. It is a great sprinkler for the price, and my kids love it. This sprinkler is super cute and my kids had a blast with it. This sprinkler is very durable and holds up well to rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.